Good day, everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to create a Google Drive folder. So first of all, you need to click on Google Chrome or you need to open a Google Chrome. And then after that, you need to make sure that you signed in on your Google account. Once you're already signing in on your Google account, click the Google Apps here and then go to Drive. After that, you will see here the new plus new here. So all you need to do is to click that new for you to add new folder. So let's say for example, this is just a sample. So that's the name of the Google Drive folder. Then create. After that, you already have the Google Drive folder. Now, once you already created the Google Drive folder, you have now the options to upload files as many as possible, but you have to make sure that your storage is still okay. So that's it for today.